Hey everybody, how's it going? This is going to be a how-to video on how to set up... Oh, okay. I'm not used to using this camera for recording video. This is my point and shoot because my regular camcorder, both batteries are dead. I don't know where the hell the plug is, so... point and shoot it is, and because I can't see the screen, I actually took the rear view mirror off. I've got it on the dashboard behind the camera so that it's reflecting off the screen and back to me so I can see what I'm doing. So, we are in my beloved 1999 Ford Ranger, and anybody that's noticed details of videos in my past that I've made in this truck, I've had this steering wheel cover. Now, I used it for quite a while, and it started getting worn out. You know, like the ovals started wearing off, and then it got a little cut in it, and I started picking at it, and I was like, all right, I'm just gonna keep picking at this, get distracted, and end up tearing it off. So I decided to pull it off, and then I bought this new one to replace it, which is exactly the same, except the stitching is blue on it instead of black. I think this was, yeah. So I've been meaning to make a video to show you how to replace one of these, because it's not always the easiest thing to do. Now, it's actually been off since like the springtime, and it's driven me nuts, but I've just kind of gotten used to it, I guess. Anyway, without further ado, because I'm sick of carrying the old one around, I didn't want to throw it out until I put the new one on. So here we are, we've got our steering wheel. What I like to do before I put one of these on is I like to clean the steering wheel, because there's no sense in keeping germs trapped. So I've got some wipes here, and I'm just... oh my god, look at that. That is so gross. I'm going to use several wipes on this. You figure all the times, you know, you go to the gas station, touch the pump, and then get back in, touch the steering wheel, or all the times you leave work and your hands are dirty. Ugh, that's gross. Throw that there. I need to clean the whole inside of this truck out bad. But I'm just doing the steering wheel cover today. That's a lot better. Just use up the rest of the wipe on this. Okay. Now, to install one of these, this is going to be hard to do on camera, is basically you want to get it into the position that you want it in. So like I want the top Ford logo to be right here. Actually, that's straight enough, straighter than it was. This left lint everywhere, but I don't really, not gonna worry about it. Because I want it up there, I gotta align everything up down here, because it's supposed to be the bottom of the steering wheel that you start at. Now, these fit very tight. This particular cover, it says fits wheel diameters 14.5 to 15 inches, will not fit on a full-size truck steering wheel. I've tried. One of the better things to do with these covers before you install them is either heat them up a little bit with a hairdryer on a low setting, or run them through your clothes dryer for 5 to 10 minutes so that it can soften up the material a little bit and make it stretch just that much easier to be able to get it on. I bought this cover so long ago, I don't remember if I got it at Walmart or AutoZone. As you can see, I've got it part way on, so I just need to keep working work it a little bit here, work it a little bit there, and keep working to get it stretched out and over. Oops. Hope I didn't screw anything up. Alright. Yeah, this is really hard to do at the point and shoot. I don't know how anybody does it. And then my phone, forget that. There's no way to hold it up. Another thing that works too is if you park in the direct sunlight and let it warm up everything. But I want this done right now, so I'm not going to do that. Looks like it might be off just a little bit, but whew. This is tiring. Come on. See, we are almost there. Just a little bit more. It's gonna be nice having one of these on again, because this wheel, I don't know if maybe it's the way I hold on to it or what, but I find it actually hurts after a while. So, come on, stop sliding. Yeah, I gotta find my camera charger because this sucks. We're winning. We are winning. Ooh, almost there. It's rolled under a little bit. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. There. Okay. So, it is off like maybe 1/4 inch, but I can live with that for the next 2 years. Feels much better. Nice to have it again. It looks a little weird down here because it's off up there, but it is done. It is done. You always start from the bottom and work your way up and just twist it, make sure it's not rolled onto itself, which it's not rolled onto itself anywhere on here. And yeah, that's how you put on a steering wheel cover. That's, you know, one solid piece. The other kind that you wrap around and then you have the GIMP like stuff, I've never been able to do one of those, but yeah, here we are. Ooh. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Feel free to leave comments if you have them. I hope this helped you out, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.